it's me, Jasmine again, and welcome to the best day of my life. Right now, I am in Ueno. No, I'm not. I'm in Nippori. Ever since I started this YouTube channel, I have had many people ask me, how do I afford to travel? The sun is really bright. But I have had so many people asking me, like, how do I afford to travel, whatever country I'm in? And the key is, once the plane ticket is bought for me, then everything is set because I don't require that much to have fun. So although now I'm kind of stationed here in Japan, I still like to have cheap fun. I like to do things that don't really require that much money. So one of the things that I like to do is I like to go for walks, and I have set walks that I go on. So when I first came to Japan, I was living here in Nippori, and I would walk from Nippori to Ueno, and I have like this kind of like journey, or like this kind of route that I like to go each time, and you can see a whole lot of like historic stuff, and I wanted to share that with you guys, and how you can come to Japan and you can go to various places, see so many things, and not spend a dime unless you want to. I'll show you guys that too, so let's go. So first we are going to Yanaka Ginza. Yanaka Ginza, I believe some people told me that it's called Cat Town too, because there are cats everywhere. When it's not that busy, you can find cats, and then many stores have cats, like cat dolls and everything everywhere. So if you like cats, you should come here. I have allergies. I'm more of a dog person, but let's go see Yanaka Ginza. Okay, so I know you probably came to Japan for Japanese food, but in Nippori there is a delicious Turkish/Iranian restaurant that you have got to try. The owner is hilarious and he's fun. The food is pretty cheap, with 1,000 yen for an all-you-can-eat or 600 yen for a basic meal. Next, if you're in Yanaka Ginza, you have got to try Fukumaru. Fukumaru is a very popular bun shop or daifuku shop. Sometimes you can even find little stands selling their treats at train stations. The most popular bun is a karinto. It's delicious, but they usually get sold out at the store and at the train station stands. It feels so weird holding this. It's not like a really big camera, but it feels weird holding this camera and walking around in Japan because, like, I get people that just like stare at me, like a serious stare. And when I don't have a camera, or when I'm just recording just with my phone, like people don't really pay me too much mind. But I feel like just a regular gaijin. And I don't really like the way it feels, because I feel like there is such a, not a such, but there is like kind of a negative connotation with other foreigners like making videos in Japan. Thanks, Logan Paul. But so it doesn't really feel good like holding a camera out in public like this. But anyway, right now we are headed to Zenshoan Temple. And yes, every time I walk this way I have to go, it's kind of out of the way, but I have to go to Zenshoan Temple because I like the big giant gold Buddha. So let me show you guys that. We are now in Ueno. I have made so many videos in Ueno because it's kind of closer to where I live. Also at nighttime it's really peaceful, so I like to go to Shinobazu no Ike, and that's where we're going right now. So if you follow this path from Nippori this way, then you will end in Shinobazu no Ike. But before we get there, we have to pass the zoo. We are now at Shinobazu Pond. I don't know how many videos I made here. Actually, there was a recent one where I was speaking Japanese. It was here. I like to come here at night because, as I said in the other video, it's nice to just sit on the bench and just like think, especially at nighttime. You can't really see the stars, but you can see the moon if the moon's out. So it's nice to come here. And of course, no trip to Ueno is complete without going to Ameyoko Market. And again, I've made so many videos in Ameyoko too, but let's just go again. Ah, 大丈夫です。すいません。ちょっとできます。The sun is still kind of strong, but I am still in Ueno near Shinobazu Ike, and I'm eating my strawberry fromage daifuku. There's something about Ueno where like every time I come here, like wherever I go, there's a helicopter passing by. It's really strong. Wherever I go in Tokyo, like I don't get that many guys like that approach me that much, but there's something about Ueno. Every time I come here, I get like some oji-chan like trying to talk to me. Even in the last video where I was speaking Japanese, I was like near here, but there was like this older guy like trying to talk to me, and I've tried everything from like speaking only English and speaking like Japanese, and I don't want to be rude, so I'm not gonna like tell them like leave me alone, because they're just being nice. But yeah, I don't know why or what it is with Ueno where like oji-chans just want to talk to me. Yeah, but like they don't seem to get the hint like when I'm trying to leave, or maybe my hints are too subtle. I don't know, but let me eat my strawberry fromage. It's yummy, yummy, yummy. I've had this so many times. Look. So inside, I'm sorry, I'm being like rude again. Inside is like, so the outside is mochi, which is like beaten rice into like this kind of paste stuff. And then the inside is like cheese, fromage, and strawberry jam. It's amazing! I love like frozen strawberry daifuku. Awesome. Konnichiwa, hello. Oh, looky, looky, it's jiggly. I still have to show you guys Ameyoko for like the 100th time. So let's go get on that. Okay, I think that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed my tour from Nippori to Ueno. Again, this is something that I like to do whenever I'm traveling, just to have cheap fun, just walk around, and I create my own routes, my own trails, and I hope that I can share them with you guys in future videos. Please let me know if you like this video. Also, I will leave a link in the description box so you can follow this trail as well. If you follow this route and you find something new, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, visit my Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and hit the little notification bell to know every time I upload a video. See you guys next time. Bye!